Wait. We gotta get the angles right, Soraya. We gotta get the angles right, girl. Okay, so
Right now we have
wait a
a
minute.
kit.
What is this called?
A kit.
What is this kit called? Vision.
Vision.
Create a vision. This
vision.
is about creating our own vision. So it's about how you see yourself. That's why you got the little person here. So when you open this kit up, you're gonna get the chance to learn about a career. And the career we're learning about today is in the healthcare field. So healthcare means like doctors, people that help people with their health and feel better, right? Nurses, or in this case, it's doulas and midwives. So they're actually going to be the birth workers. Can you say that? Birth workers.
Birth workers.
Yeah, so these people that we're going to learn about today, they're going to help people. They work to help people who are pregnant, like mommies, right? Give birth safely because it can be dangerous sometimes. So it's important that they have some help. When you're giving birth to a baby, a lot of your body goes through a lot of stress. And if your body is going through a lot of stress and it has a baby in it, and all of these other things are happening in your body, it can be dangerous. Some people can lose their life. So you want to make sure you have a good helper to help you give birth to that baby. Sometimes you may need things and you need somebody next to you to say, "Hey, do you need something?" Or maybe, let me think, maybe you need something that I can suggest for you. So a birth worker can help with that. A birth worker can suggest some things that a mommy might need if she is going through birth. That's a really good question.
We're opening it right now. We're not going to open it later. Right now.
Let's open it up. Oh, let's read the beginning. Let's go through each one, okay? It says, "Welcome to the Birth Worker Creative Vision Kit. Inside, you will discover the wonderful work of a birth worker. You will be introduced to someone who was a real life birth worker. You will also learn a little bit about what a birth worker does. By the time you're finished exploring, you'll be ready to practice some of the things that a birth worker does." Okay, so far we really like this kit. We love the colors. We love that it comes with explanations that are really clear and it tells us what to expect inside. So let's keep going. All right, let's learn about birth workers. So let's see. Oh, it says be inspired. It has a picture of somebody here. It says Katie Hall Underwood. That's her name, okay?
What she used to do?
Let's find out. It says she was born on January 8th, 1884, in Sapelo Island in Georgia. That's not far from us. She died, though. So she died February 7th, 1977. So she was 93 years old, almost 100 years old. It says, "Did you know as a Sapelo midwife?" Oh, she was a midwife. That's kind of what we're going to learn about in here. And daughter of freed slaves, Katie Hall Underwood was instrumental in bringing generations of Gullah Geechee people into the world. So Gullah Geechee people are people that lived in that area of Georgia, and she brought the babies into this world, meaning she helped mommies give life or give birth to babies. Okay. Oh my goodness, I really like the fact that there is an African American real life person related to this career. It's somebody that my child can relate to. I love that. I love it because I know how important the imagery is. So I'm really excited about this. And I think this will be something that my daughter really like, it'll stay in her mind, because she's learning that, hey, not only is this a career I can pursue, but other people who look like me have done it before. So I like that. I love it. All right, you ready to learn about who helps moms? That's what it says. Who helps moms? You ready?
Yes.
Okay. It says, "What is a midwife?" Didn't you ask me that?
Yeah.
What's a midwife? A midwife is someone who helps mothers stay healthy during their pregnancy. A midwife listens, gives good advice, and is there when the baby is born. She makes sure, up here it says, she makes sure the mom feels cared for and safe. You give mommy a massage or you rub my back and you try to make me feel better?
Yes.
That's what a midwife would do for somebody who's pregnant. So you might make a good midwife one day. That might be something you do really well. Okay. It says, "What is a doula?" So you can be a midwife or a doula. They're similar, but not the exact same. So let's talk about this. If you were a midwife or doula, what are some things you could offer a mommy? This is our feelings and carings chart, okay? So that means if a mommy is feeling, what does that look like right here?
Comfort.
Does she look comfortable? I
Yes.
think she looks a little tired. I think she's a little bit like, oh, I'm so exhausted. If she,
Yes.
yeah, I think she's a little tired. If she's tired, what would you offer her? What could you help her?
Pillow.
A pillow. You can offer a mommy who's tired and pregnant a pillow
And a blanket.
and a blanket. Or say, would you like to take a nap? We can be quiet while you take a nap. I love this part of the kit. It is super simple. It has visuals. It's everything because my 5 year old, who's a very visual learner, can easily pick up on behaviors that she can do now, even though mommy's not pregnant, to help mommy and anybody. I
Okay, here's
love
some
it.
more.
I
It
really love
says,
this part.
what if she's worried? What do you say to her? It's okay.
Yeah.
And hold her hand.
Yes, it says hold her hand, say it's okay. Good job reading.
I'll read that.
You didn't read that? Really? Oh my goodness. You did good. You did good. Okay. What if she's feeling calm?
Give her a pillow and give her some time.
Yes, give her some time by herself. That's a good one. I like how you said that. Time by herself. Let her rest. Be quiet because if she is if she's already calm, you don't want to get her all excited.
What if she's excited?
If she's excited, what would you do with her?
Dance around.
Yes, you could celebrate with her, right? Yes. You could dance and get happy with her, excited with her. And what if she's in pain? Oh no. What if she's in pain?
Go to the doctor.
Yeah, you definitely can say, hey, you want to go to the doctor? But you can do like you do mommy sometimes. You can offer her a massage or give her some gentle touch, like hold her hand, like it's going to be okay. That's that. Oh, we have some coloring. Would you like to color with me really quick before we go to the next thing? Let's color really quick. Which one do you want to color?
This one.
All right.
Let's get the crayon.
Let's get the crayons.
Whatever the problem, whatever I face, I know what to do. I create. CREATE, solution is on the way. CREATE, every challenge find a way. Clarify the problem, see it clear. Research the answers, the truth is near. Envision solutions, picture it bright. Ask for some help, that's power, that's right. CREATE, solution is on the way. Every challenge find a way. Test the
all right, so
solution.
I think we're all good. We're all good.
Like it.
I
That's
like
the
it.
mom's. Wait, this is mine. This is mom's, and this is mine.
Good job. We did good. Okay, so let's put those up. All right, let's open it up.
Can I open it?
Sure.
How's it? Oh, yes.
Just pull it apart, I think.
Like a chip bag.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, you got it. Good job.
I've been
All right.
pulling chip bags, so I know how to
So
pull.
here's our chart. Okay, and then we have some items. So let's go through and let's look at these items and see whether they're
Do we
for.
have to glue them?
We can, but I don't think we need to because this is just a little chart. We're just going to separate it on different sides. So baby stuff on this side, mommy stuff on this side. Okay.
Mom.
What's this stuff here? Let's hear. I'll put this.
Rattle.
What's that? A baby rattle?
Yes.
Okay. What side does that go on?
Baby.
Okay. So we're sorting right now. Okay. You can just put it there, baby. What we're doing right now is called sorting. When you sort things, you take a pile of stuff and you divide it into groups, and each group has similar characteristics. In this case, one group is for mommy, and one group is for baby. Okay? Go ahead. What is that?
Cart.
Stroller?
Stroller.
Yeah, it's probably a baby stroller. Okay, or bassinet type of. Yeah, probably a stroller.
No scissors.
Scissors. Does that go to baby?
No.
No, scissors don't go to baby. That can go to mommy.
Scissors. And a fork.
Does a baby get a fork?
Yes. Everybody gets a fork.
Not a baby. A baby? A little baby?
Baby.
What's that? A bib.
Bib.
A bib. It goes around the baby's neck to make sure they don't get food on their clothes when you're feeding them.
Why?
Well, if you ever fed a baby, you ever see mommy feed Zion? When I'm feeding him, if I put it in his mouth when he was a little baby, I'm not talking about right now. He's a toddler now, but when they're babies and you try to feed them some food, if you put it in their mouth, they're gonna spit it out, and it's gonna get on their clothes. So you put a bib on them, and that bib keeps the food from going onto their clothes.
That was a good question.
Yeah, that was a good question. Thank you. All right, that goes with baby side. Put it on the baby side. You can put it over here too. Okay.
Baby,
Baby. That's a onesie. It's called a onesie. That's what you put on the baby. Okay.
This is all the stuff we have.
Okay, keep going.
Teach them well, let them see the greatness that they're born to be. Teach them well, plant the seed, give them the roots they're gonna need. Teach them well, let them see the greatness that they're born to be. Teach them well.
So now we have two different groups, okay? All right, good job. Let's keep those to the side. We might need those, okay?
Okay.
The next one is called Baby and Mama Pattern Builder. So we're going to do something with the patterns, okay? All right, so what that means is it tells us what to do. It says we have to cut out the cards. That's the first step. Then we have to learn the words. Then we're going to make a simple pattern. And then we're going to try to do a picture pattern, okay? All right, so you're going to cut some and I'll cut some. You have your scissors? Get your scissors ready. All right, first let's talk about what these things are. What's this right here?
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Good job. What's that?
Pacifier.
Pacifier. What's that?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. What's that?
Baby blanket.
Baby blanket. And what's this?
Diaper.
Yes. And what's that?
Bottle.
Okay, you want to cut out each square, okay? You cut out some squares and I'll cut them out too.
Every word I say becomes their life. Every step I show is how they'll grow. I lead with love, I teach them right, and I pray they walk in truthful life. Teach them.
Yes, these are all things that who needs? Baby needs, right?
Yes.
Good job. So it says there's a pattern here. Let's see if we can figure out this pattern. Now, you know what pattern is when things repeat, right?
Yes.
So let's see if we know the pattern.
Teach them well, plant the seed, give them the roots they're gonna need. Teach them well, let them see the greatness that they're born to be. Teach them well. Teach them well.
All right, we're gonna try to do a pattern, okay? So,
Hello.
okay, go ahead. Hello.
Book.
Book.
The water bottle.
Okay. Water bottle.
Water.
Okay. Well, in order for it to be a pattern, what has to happen? It has to repeat. Yeah. So what comes after the water bottle if we want to?
Pillow.
Okay. Do you have another pillow? I don't know if I have one.
Your pacifier, pacifier.
I got a journal.
Two book.
I got slippers.
Two diapers.
I think we should have separated them. Oh, look. There you go.
Pillow.
So I'm going to put the ones down here. All right. So what should come next after the pillow? Oh, thank you. What comes after pillow in our pattern?
Whatever I face, journal. I know what to do.
Okay. And what comes after journal?
Water bottle.
So this part of the kit I really like, y'all, because these pictures are on like a cardstock material, which means that they're going to be reusable. They're not like flimsy paper. And so it makes sense that we can reuse this. Plus, I don't know if you guys saw that this whole kit comes in a case. So my daughter can take this with her when we go to the doctor's office or when we go somewhere and she has to sit for a little while. She can take this and pop it out and review patterns and all kinds of stuff. So this is really exciting. Here we go. Let's go back to our Creative Vision kit. All right, the next thing, it looks like there's a mobile in here. It says baby mobile. So let's check it out, okay? Let's see. We got to open it up. Ooh.
I see something.
I'm excited. We already got a couple activities done. This is really cool. Okay. Nope, not yet. I think they're all grouped together, so we have the different activities for them.
Whatever the problem, whatever I face, I know what to do, I create. ICREATE. Solution is on the way.
Y'all, this Create a Vision kit, this is it. This is what I needed because I didn't have to plan nothing out. There was at least 4 activities in it. It took us about an hour and a half to go through everything. And honestly, she can go back and play with any of these things. She can review the vocabulary, the imagery, the terminology, and the things to do to help mommies. I love that she was able to walk away with something like she can actually do related to this field, this birth worker field. I think that is so dope. As you can see, she loved the art part of it. She's artsy. So, in fact, our next kit, because I'm already plotting on getting another one, is going to be for the artist one they have. I'm really excited about that. But I think this is cool because our kids are getting exposed at very young ages to a career path, something just to spark a little, interest in them. And I think that's really essential for our kids. So, again, it helped us spend time together, and I ain't have to do no work. I just sat there and enjoyed it with her. So I'm so happy how it turned out. She walked away with knowledge and something she created. Look at her. She created her mobile. I'm so proud of her. Y'all, please get one because if you don't, I'm about all of them.